Hi everyone. I wanted to give you an example of in economics as a way to have students interact and really work with the information. I find that very important with graphs. Just seeing a static graph. Now, what does a static graph mean? A static graph is a graph that doesn't change. You read it in the book, you look at the information, but this is where it's critical because this is where students start to see things happening right in front of them. And I think that's very important to look at. And when I look at these graphs right here that were being presented, I'm looking at how do the individual market demand graphs. What I can do here is I can give students situations. And what you're looking at is, see this interactive nature of this? We can change the interactive nature of these graphs. Students can take a picture of it, report the information back, and it's one of the ways that they can basically report what's happening in their business. And I think students will like this as a neat little tool as it's interacting and moving with what's happening. So there's one of my examples.